Hello everyone, we're going to be doing a hard completing the square question. Why this question is a little bit more challenging is if you remember the last video I filmed on completing the square, which should be in this playlist somewhere, we can't complete the square on any quadratic where I have a number bigger than 1 in front of my x squared term. In fact, we need the number exactly 1, so bigger than 1 or not 1, basically, I can't complete the square. So my a value has to equal 1 for us to complete the square. A has to equal 1. So no fractions, whole number, x squared plus or minus something. So how we complete the square on a question like this is I need to take out a common factor. So I take out my common factor of 2, and then I'm left with x squared minus 5x plus 2 inside my brackets. Again, we can always expand. 2 times x squared gives 2x squared. 2 times negative 5x gives negative 10x. 2 times 2 gives 4. It's the same quadratic. I've just taken out a common factor first. Now I can complete the square on everything here inside my brackets. Now, if we remember the formula we have for how we complete the square, the formula for completing the square is x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared plus c. In this question here, you can see that my b term is negative 5, my c term is plus 2. So if I apply my rule, I have 2 outside of. Now I'm factorizing, so I need a second bracket. It is going to be x plus b over 2. Well, because b is negative 5, that becomes minus 5 over 2 squared. My b term on the end becomes minus 5 over 2 all squared, plus 2 on the end. And yeah, I only need one bracket there at the very end. Here, I need to move my little face out the way. That is the first step in completing the square. That's kind of the hard bit, to be honest. Now, all I have to do is tidy up my tail on the end. I wind up with 2 outside of x minus 5 over 2 all squared minus, well, negative 5 over 2 squared gives 25 over 4 plus 2, which gives me an answer of 2 outside of x minus 5 over 2 squared minus, what's that going to be? That's going to be, it's minus 25 plus 8, which is going to be 17. 17 over 4 plus 8. Yeah, plus 8. So negative 17 over 4. Wow, okay, maths took a little bit of time there for my brain to buffer. Okay, now I can't leave my answer like that. I need to multiply my 2 to my brackets, and I also need to multiply my 2 by my fraction here on the end. So I'm left with the final answer of 2 outside of x minus 5 over 2 all squared minus 17 over 2, because 2 times negative 17 over 4 gives negative 17 over 2. It basically simplifies down with my denominator. Again, just to quickly recap the steps, take my common factor of 2 out, apply the completing the square formula, tidy up my tail on the end. I know this is mirrored, so it's going the wrong way, but tidy up my tail on the end, then multiply my factor of 2 through to finish off. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.